Welcome to the American Board of Opticianry National Contact Lens Examiners Certification Overview, where excellence meets professional certification. This certification program empowers you to master contact lens expertise, achieve nationally recognized credentials, enhance your career opportunities, and stay current with industry standards and best practices. Contact lens specialists are healthcare professionals who fit, dispense, and educate patients on proper lens use under supervision. Core responsibilities include fitting and verification, patient education, care instruction, troubleshooting issues, follow-up care, record keeping, inventory management, and regulatory compliance. The American Board of Opticianry National Contact Lens Examiners administers this certification. Eligibility requires a high school diploma, optical experience, or Opticianry program completion, and current ABO certification is recommended. Training covers lens design, fitting techniques, patient care, and professional ethics. The computer-based exam features 125 multiple-choice questions completed in 3 hours at authorized testing centers nationwide. A 70% pass rate is required, with immediate preliminary results and official certification mailed within 2 to 3 weeks, valid for 3 years. You have 3 hours total, averaging 86 seconds per question. The recommended pace is 90 minutes for first pass, 60 for review, and 30 for final check. Passing requires 70% or 88 correct answers. Each correct answer earns 1 point with no penalty for incorrect responses. The exam content breakdown includes 8 domains. High priority areas are fitting procedures at 25%, lens design at 20%, and patient assessment at 15%. Medium priority covers problem solving at 15%, patient education at 10%, and professional standards at 8%. Low priority areas are regulations at 5% and business management at 2%. Core skills include lens selection, fitting assessment, vision verification, patient instruction, care protocols, problem resolution, follow-up care, accurate record keeping, inventory control, and safety compliance. Here's a practice question. A patient complains their soft lenses feel dry after 4 hours. What's the first step? Recommend rewetting drops? Switch to daily disposables, evaluate the lens fit, or increase replacement frequency? Consider your answer carefully. The correct answer is C. Evaluate the lens fit. Before recommending solutions, assess the root cause. Dryness often results from poor fit causing movement or edge lift that disrupts the tear film. Proper treatment starts with evaluating fit and alignment, assessing tear quality, reviewing care routines, considering material changes, then recommending rewetting products. Certified specialists work in ophthalmology practices, optical retail stores, corporate optical chains, and educational institutions, training future opticians. Critical standards cover health and safety protocols, including hand hygiene, proper lens handling, equipment sterilization, and infection control. Regulatory compliance encompasses FDA device regulations, state licensing, OSHA workplace safety, HIPAA patient privacy, and professional liability standards. Client interaction excellence requires 5 essential soft skills: active listening to understand patient concerns, clear communication, explaining procedures simply, empathy and patience with anxious patients, creative problem solving, and maintaining professional demeanor and credibility. Ethics and standards prioritize patient welfare, informed consent, confidentiality, and professional boundaries. Professional conduct requires honest representation of qualifications, no false claims, respect for colleagues, and commitment to continuing competence. Effective study strategies include individual methods like reviewing official guides, creating detailed notes, practicing sample questions, and using spaced repetition. Group methods involve joining study groups, discussing challenging topics, and sharing resources. Plan 8 to 12 weeks of dedicated preparation. Certification is valid for 3 years, requiring renewal with 18 continuing education units. CEU categories include 12 hours of clinical contact lens topics, 4 hours professional development, and 2 hours ethics and regulations from approved providers. In summary, the exam has 125 questions in 3 hours, requiring 70% to pass. Certification is valid 3 years, with 18 CEUs required. The exam fee is $325. Your path to professional excellence starts here. Need to pass your ABO NCLE exam? Get free practice tests from Practice Test Geeks. Prepare for success with comprehensive practice materials. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code for free ABO NCLE practice tests.